In this video I will show you how to get affiliate links from Impact. So first, of course, you want to sign into your Impact account or create your Impact account if you don't have one yet. So I'll just sign into my account. Then after signing into your account, you will come in the dashboard right here. Now what you want to do is click on brands here and then click on find brands. So now here you can select all brands, and now here you can see a bunch of brands. So you can look up by name, ID or keyword. So for example, if you want to promote a VPN, then you can type in VPN and then it will show all the VPNs that are on Impact. So for example, NordVPN, Surfshark, Atlas VPN. So just pick one of these. And you can also see that for this one, for example, there is an initial purchase of 60%, so you will get 60%. Now here the new customer online sale 40%, and right here you can see that you are pre-qualified for this one. So this is for me because I have filled in some information, but for example for NordVPN you are not yet pre-qualified, so then you need to apply. And then here you need to tell NordVPN why you want to work on this campaign. So just briefly tell the brand why you want to work with them and then click on apply. Then after they accept you, you can come to brands right here and click on my brands. And then you can see all of your brands, and then when you hover over it with your mouse you can see create link. So now you can click on create and you will see your affiliate link right here. So now when people purchase through this link, whatever affiliate program it is, then you will see that in the Impact dashboard by clicking on reports and clicking on overview. So that's how to create affiliate links on Impact. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.